I'm so legit uncomfortable. This is without the ring light. Let's try this with the ring light. Oh wow, it's so bright. And right, this is the last video in my 30 days half September series, and I'm just gonna lay my edges using my Gorilla Snot. And no Jonathan, I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So I get about this amount, put it on my edges. Oh, and my hair is by Locks. You guys have seen me in this hair before. This is not my first time at the rodeo. So if I have like a rat tail comb, or in Jamaica I would say fine teeth comb, I would have used it for this, but I don't have one, so I'm using a toothbrush. So I'm just gelling this down with the Gorilla Snot, and then I am going to do some thingies, I don't know, with my fingernail. Guys, I can't find anything. Alright, so the only reason I show this on camera is because I'm going to have people ask me how do I lay my edges. So I decided to show you guys. This is my stocking cap. Gosh, this ring light is life. It's a stocking cap like the round ones, but I just split it at the top and made like an opening at the top. So I'm just going to tie this down, then pull this up off my forehead. Yeah, like that. Alright, let's see what this looks like without these two lights. Oh, just the ring light, it's... Okay, so the ring light is cool, but these two lights add a sense of badass-dom to this. Lego. So for this 30 days of September, these videos were pre-recorded, right? No, come here. And I've been getting requests to do the no tools challenge thing where you make it with only your hand. Why does my background look so lopsided? No, I really don't want to do this, to be honest with you. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. So I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I don't use a pomade or whatever, and I deliberately did not watch any. I have to sharpen my pencil, right? I have to sharpen my pencil. I deliberately did not watch any videos with this challenge because I didn't want any ideas. So alright, this is probably going to be nasty to some of you, but right here, you know where like the pencil gathers, I'm going to take it and do my brows. So this is going to be my little pomade or whatever. So I was doing so good. Alright, so for this 30 days, well, for this last one, I'm doing this very highly requested video. Oh, my floor, mess up my floor. I wanted to go live, but I decided against it because, you know, I have a young child. I'm just scooping out whatever's left in there with this thing to continue doing my brows. Yeah, because, you know, I have a young baby and he requires a lot of attention. So to go live would not be as fluent as I would have wanted it to be. Yeah, so I want to talk about these 30 days, how they've been, how I found them. I've been seeing a lot of mean comments. So if you guys want me to do another mean comment video, just let a girl know, because y'all know I don't mind, boo-boo. I do not mind, honey. I found it very interesting because I get to see what you guys love and don't love, what you like and don't like. And a lot of you, the video with my mommy, that video has so many, got so many views in a 24-hour like time span. I was like, oh my god, they really do like, well, probably like my mommy, because even if you guys follow my vlogs, gosh, I messed up my bro. I'm going to, oh, I need wipes. Oh, sweet a name, but the name of Jesus that I've ever known. Yes, I'm going to be using Black Opal's Toast. So yeah, I was saying that I don't know, I think you guys like my mom, because I don't know if I've been saying, you know, you need more of mom in the vids. So I'm just scraping off toast with my finger, with what's left of my fingernail. What? What? Where's grandma? Where? Where? Oh no. I was saying that you guys really like my mommy. So by the way, I switched over to Fawn instead of using this because I'm messing it up. Yeah, I'll be introducing mommy more often in my videos, as I said. But if you guys follow my vlog channel, you'll see her in my vlogs. My little fingernail, it broke, so I'm using that to blend out. Jonathan, no. So I'm going back. I had put toast on my finger, on my hand, on the back of my hand here. So I'm alternating between toast and Fawn from LA Colors, LA Girls. So this is toast, you know, that I'm using from Black Opal. Then I'm going in with Fawn. Blending up with my little finger. Checking the symmetry. Seeing as it's not symmetrical. Moving right along. Oh my gosh, you guys know how I feel about brows. If you watch my no mirror makeup challenge, you guys know how I feel about my brows. Brows are extremely important to me. I spend longer on brows than I do foundation and eyeshadow. Like, brows are that important to me. Fawn. Oh, and I believe this was started by Alyssa J. I want to credit where credit is due, because I don't want to be said that Lyric did something and didn't credit somebody. So I believe this was started by Alyssa J. So I'm going back in with Fawn. This is so cray. By the way, I will not be using a primer. Let me tell you, if I'm doing these challenges, I don't waste my primer, boo-boo. And yes, I consider wasting because I won't be washing this off and filming another video. Okay. Oh, I can't remove this now. Edges are laid. Edges are snatched. Okay. So I'm going to be going on top. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, how do people do this? But I'm going back in with my brow. And I think I must only use my fingers, right? So let me clean off my little finger. Alright, so I fixed it kind of, sort of. What have I done? Foundation and eyeshadow, I don't foresee a problem. It's just the brows, man. Oh my god, it's always the brows with me, right? Even with my no mirror makeup challenge, it was the brows. So I'm still using Fawn. Why do my brows look so junky? I'm just going to move on. So for my foundation, oh my god, how am I going to do powder? Oh god. For my foundation, I've been using Mary Kay Bronze 6. for my foundation. And this is their liquid. It's a Time Wise. Hello. This is why I like to do my edges after my foundation. Not even before my foundation, there's like a huge gap. You see that? Like on the top of my forehead just looks lighter than everywhere else. Oh my gosh. Jonathan, what am I doing? Oh my god. I'm sure nobody else's looks like this. What am I doing? For my highlight, I'm going to be taking Toast by Black Apple. Black Apple. Milo, stop. How am I going to use powder? Jonathan. Milo, stop. Oh Lord, I don't know. Alright guys, Alright, so I'm going to blend out now using my fingers. You know what would be funny? The no mirror, no tools makeup challenge. Bruh, that would be hilarious. Alright, I don't know how am I going to use powders? Alright, by the way, everything I'm using, this is what I use every single day. I have everything in this little tray thing. So this is what I use every single day. You know, it's like my everyday makeup. So oh Lord. Oh man. Oh, this is caramel by the way. This is in deep. We spoke about that already. Can't be in deep. It's too light. How do they do? Oh Lord. How do they do this? How do they? I don't understand what's going on. So I put my fingers at foundation on it. Now I'm going to use like. Alright, that's a lot. Oh my goodness. And then look, you see how you're not seeing, but it's because it's oily. It's just, who would, Alyssa J, why would you do this? Why am I doing this? Alright, you know what? Suck it up. Suck it up. What's the Why am I look song? Alright guys, this classic espresso from Black Opal. Alright, so I'm going to blend out the front of my brow with my finger. Then I'm just going back in with classic espresso. Look at how many dark spots I have along here. Look at my foundation line. This is horrible. You can't see this, but my hands are really dark and gunky. By the way guys, I'm 138 pounds. What am I doing to myself today? Now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my palette, my Scented palette from Fontana Pharmacy, because these are hella pigmented. So I'm going to be using this side, and I'm just going to be grabbing up color. So forgive me if I don't say, oh, I'm using this, oh, I'm using that. This is a lot of pressure, okay? A lot of pressure. Just so you know. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with a gold. Why am I, guys, you know what? I'm going to stop succumbing to peer pressure. Peer pressure turn people into idiots. You know what I've noticed though? Oh, I'm going to do a video on that. Guys, if you want to do a video on my weight loss so far, and what I've been eating, what I've been doing, any weight loss questions. So if you have any weight loss questions, please put them in the description bar, not the description bar, in the comment section, and I'll answer them in my next video. Not the next video, but I'll answer them and I'll make a video about it. Alright, so I'm going in with like a burgundy color, same ring finger. And I'm keeping this eye look simple, alright? I ain't doing no rainbow or nothing. And I'm going in with an orange with my little finger. And I'm over on the matte side now. So these two, the burgundy and the orange, those are matte colors. Going back in with the burgundy. Clean this off. For my brow bone, I'm going to be taking my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color here using my little finger. And then I'm going to be going in with a purple from the matte side again. It's a nice color combo. I'm going to be recreating this look. Oh Lord. You know what? I'm done. I'm not doing anymore. Oh! Lip glow. Oh Lord. Okay. Alright, so not done yet. Oh my god. So some bull. So for my glow, I'm going to be going in with, oh no, that's blush. Okay, so for my glow, I'm going to be going in with Iman's Afterglow. And I typically use these two. My battery is dying. Oh no. Look at my face. Look at my face. Seriously? Are you serious right now? You can't be serious. Bruh. No. Oh, I almost forgot lips. Whoops. So I'm going to be using Think Pink by Wet n Wild. Like a big old chapstick. Ah, God. Really? No. No, bruh. No, bruh. Why? Serving face or no, guys, I did it. All right, didn't do no eyes, didn't do no mascara, none of that, but I didn't. I did the challenge, bruh. No. No, thank you. I know. The last time I allowed peer pressure to dictate my life, I'm not doing this again. Alright? I'm not doing this again. This challenge was hella difficult. It wasn't as uncomfortable as the no mirror makeup challenge. The no mirror makeup challenge was hella uncomfortable. Hella uncomfortable. But that's it for this tutorial. This is supposed to be a 1 hour special. Yes, I'm filming that after this because I can't stand to look at myself. I look like a crazy person. I look like one of those memes that says, never mind, I got it done for like $3. That's me. I'm that meme. That's it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this strictly for entertainment purposes, and I'm legitimately uncomfortable. I'm so legit uncomfortable. It's not funny. I'm even, look at me itching. I'm uncomfortable. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm legit uncomfortable. I'm so uncomfortable. Just, it's not blended. The lips, the nose contour. What is this line? Bye guys.